So you've got yourself a P0300 code, or maybe it's a P0301 through 312, but either way you've got a misfire detected in your engine. I'm going to take a few steps, might help determine what the problem is. Potentially you could have a fouled spark plug. In that case, just replace all the spark plugs. Simple and cheap. Next option, but a little bit more expensive, you've got a bad coil pack. It could have a crack, or in some cases I've seen, it's just come mildly unplugged, or the little piece here that connects and holds it in has broken and it's wiggled off over time. Another problem I've come across before is the spark plug wire. See that crack? That right there is going to cause arc, and that spark's not going to get down to the spark plug, so that cylinder's not going to go. Some of these cracks, this one was easy to spot, but some of them are extremely tiny. You want to look for any cracking, any wearing away of the sheathing, and if that's the case, replace the spark plug wire. And the last one that's a little bit harder to find out, usually you're going to want to take it to your mechanic for this one, because this one's definitely a lot harder to figure out, is the fuel injector. It could be clogged, it could be gummed up. Every once in a while I've had decent luck by taking this and letting it sit in an alcohol-based cleaning solution for a couple days and submerging it, everything but the electronics. I'll seal that up, but the rest of it from here to here, if you can, even sit it like that and have that top sitting out. And I've had decent luck every once in a while with that one, but it's a 50-50 shot. Depending on your code, if it's the P0301 through 312, it could pin it down to a specific cylinder. And in that case, you should be able to look at it and say, okay, is it the wire that's here on cylinder 2? Is it the spark plug? Is there a crack in the coil pack up here? Reduce it down, figure out the problem of the situation, and be able to repair it in a simple and easy way. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy fixing.